Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your Wistia URL? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your Wistia URL anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you just signed up for Wistia and you created your account, you know they're going to give you a Wistia URL. It resembles your email address, but maybe you want to go ahead and change that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to change your Wistia URL, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the gear icon called Setting. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see more information about your Wistia account. However, to change your Wistia URL, here on the left menu, you're going to click on Account. Okay, once you click on Account, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see Wistia URL. Okay, so here it is right here. So here you can see my Wistia URL. So this is relevant when you are sharing through Wistia and then also when you're embedding. So right here, what you can do is go ahead and highlight all of that and go ahead and change it. Change URL. And then what you're going to do is scroll all the way down once you've confirmed it's available. And then you're going to click on Update Settings. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your Wistia URL, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.